Welcome to the woods. It is 316 days until the Marathon des Sables 2027. It starts on the 2nd of April next year, and the Marathon des Sables, for those of you who don't know, is a 250-ish kilometre self-supported stage race across the Sahara Desert and some Moroccan mountains, and I'm doing it. In my life I've done 3 marathons, over 10 half marathons. I've done 2 ultras, but they were both 50k and I had nothing to do the next day. The long stage this year on the Marathon des Sables was 100k, and then you had the pleasure of doing another 42 the next day, and then you had a day after that as well. So it's a challenge, but I'm here for it. I turn 50 later this year. Hard to believe, I know, thank you. And I've had my eye on it for years, but I finally plucked up courage to do it before I'm unable to do stuff like that. I'm pretty fit. I cycle, I run, I walk a lot, but this is gonna test me. I'll document it on this channel. You'll see the kit, the training, the stupid things I decide are a good idea and then drop, the stupid things I decide are a good idea and then actually turn out to be a good idea. I'll drop some images of what the Marathon des Sables looks like in the rest of this video, but if anyone's got any experience, advice, tips, tricks, other people to follow, let me know. Also on this channel you're going to find a lot of cocktail content, a lot of coffee content, a lot of bike content, a lot of Somerset content. So if that's what you're into, give us a follow, like,